Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with another Dollar Tree haul, and I need to stay out of Dollar Tree. I ain't going back. Like, okay, anyway. They replenished, so a lot of stuff I got right now are just duplicates, because I know they're hard to come by. So, let's jump right in. First, I finally found some plant labels. I saw Felicia from Bible Scraps do a project with these, oh gosh, I guess a year ago. And that's the first time I've seen them in hours, so I ended up getting 2 packs. So I just want to put some sentiments up here and decorate these. So I got the idea, inspiration from Felicia, so whenever I show them, in case I get to mention it, from Bible Scraps, she had did a project with that. So that's what I hope to do. Then I picked up some stamps that I got. Well, let me go ahead and show this. This is the Heart Confetti in my favorite color. You know, the Dollar Tree. They are true up, they don't play. Picked up, I saw these last week. I didn't get them, but I ended up getting them this time when I was in there. And I know my Dollar Tree videos are behind from when I'm getting them. But they still had other hauls up there. And I was trying not to put too many in one day. So, some more flowers and sunflowers. And got the metallic and that puffy feel. Yummy, yummy. Another one of these, because I just like those. I want to make some more ATCs with those or something. And let's see, I did pick this one up. I only got one of these, but it's a repeat. I picked up these butterflies. They hit 7, I think, butterflies, but I only got 3. Just different colors. They're just really pretty. I got those. I've shown you this one before, but I got another one just to keep them. You know, I don't know how to mix all these little pieces up, but I really like those, and I know they're hard to come by. So I got another one of those. Another one of those flowers in red. And some more of these little by little. I call them inches. They're actually not inches. They're actually 3/4 by 3/4. But I call them inches because they're almost an inch. So, yeah. And the other one I already got on the other haul, another black one. So I have duplicates of each one of these. Pick up some more wood. I don't believe I ever got the Amazing one. So I got the Amazing. And I found this one, which was on the side, but it says Life. And I picked up some more birds. And so 3 types of birds. They had owls, 2 different types. 6-pack or 3 packs of owls. I didn't get those. Had all the different, so many animals and stars and clocks and everything. Some more birds and then some more sea life creatures. Which, pretty sure all of those are duplicates. And this one says Celebrate. And again, just more of the fluffy stickers that, especially the masculine ones, just because they're hard to come by. I got some more. 2 of these, because I really like these sentiments up here. I want to do ATCs and iCads out of them. I don't know, I love the texture of zines out of these, because when you photocopy those, with zine, and I love these. So I already made some ATCs before my ATK lab last year out of these. Love them, and I just love the fact that these are all inventions that have changed mankind. I mentioned that in my ATC when I made one out of each one of these. And, you know, I didn't even realize until I was doing the video that I thought about it, that each one of these really revolutionized humanity when you think about it. The light bulb, the telephone, the camera, the sewing machine, and the movie projector. I mean, changed humanity. Can we even imagine our life without those? So, yeah. Got one for my sister and 2 more for myself. Got the rose one. And I know, like I said, these are all duplicates, so they're nothing new. 2 of these, you know, the Parisian theme, you know. Some more of these instruments, those puffy instruments. They make the darndest stickers, man. And then 2 more of the books, you know. So I'm doing a collab for myself. Anybody want to join, they can, but I am working on my stickers. I am determined to do a lot of mixed media stuff with these this year. Zines, iCads, and ATCs. primarily, but it may be some other projects. But that's what I plan on doing a lot of those with this year. If you want to join along with me using up your Dollar Tree stickers, join me, and I will be posting weekly, trying to anyway. My goal is to post on Sundays different projects, except for the last Sunday of the month, because I have my mixed media class. But I will be trying to post on the other Sundays of the month projects using Dollar Tree stickers, and I have the hashtag and all that along with it. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.